This is Spreadsheet Homeroom, short tutorials to turn your spreadsheeting into a superpower. If you are looking for one specific value in a spreadsheet, Control F for find is easy enough. But what about pulling several different values at the same time? Or what about getting all cells with a specific font color or cell highlighting? Today's episode on filters will answer the call. This sample dataset has students' ID numbers, names, the class periods, and the room numbers, the teacher's full name, and then email address. You'll also notice that the rooms have some highlighting and some of the teacher names have different font colors. We're going to use filters to get subgroups of a lot of these different students by name, cell shading, and font color. To begin, click anywhere in the data table and click Data, Create a Filter. You'll notice the headers now have these inverted triangles in them. Let's start with student name. Click here, and then you'll notice 227 unique students appear in the data set. And scrolling, you can see all of them. Let's click clear so none of them are checked. And now we can type in any students we want. So I'm going to start typing BAU, and you'll notice that Helena shows up. I'll click Helena. I'll also type in another student, Constance Yomond. Click there, and then scroll down and click OK. Now you'll notice that Helena and Constance appear in my dataset. Anytime the student's name appeared, one of those two students' names, they now appear here in the filtered table. The icon has also changed to this funnel. You can click that yet again and then still sort, for example. So now Helena comes first for the B's and Constance comes last for the O's. We can also filter by shading of the color, of the cell color. So I'm going to remove all of this, select all, so all students are back. And this time, click on room color, filter by color. You'll notice under fill color, it identifies any shading in that particular column, and you can filter by only the blue cells. So there you can see all the 100s rooms are together there. Likewise, let's remove this. You could also go to teacher and sort by text color. So I want all the orange font to come first. And then I want, for example, the magenta. So now magenta, then orange, and then black. So you can truly sort and filter by formatting, not just the contents of the cells. There are a few other options in the filters. So clicking in any of those headers, there's filter by condition. Under this dropdown, you can search for any cells that are empty or not empty. The text contains a certain string of characters or does not contain those characters. If the date is before or after a certain date, if the greater than or less than, so a grade point average, for instance, is greater than 3.5, show me all of those students. A lot of different options for these filters. For more content like this to supercharge your spreadsheeting, visit spreadsheetsforschools.com. And the next time you're working with data, remember, this looks like a job for super spreadsheets.